We are in our piano adventure lesson book primer, and we are on page 25 playing balloons. Now we're just playing C, D, and E. The C, D, and E are around our two black keys. So it's red, orange, and yellow. So on your keyboard there on the page, go through and circle the two black keys and then write the letter names in on the keys C, D, and E. And then I want you to color all your C's red, all your D's orange, and all your E's yellow. Okay, so this is a pretty easy piece. We're going to start down here and we're going to move up three times. So we're just playing with our fourth, third, and second finger and 2, 3, and 4 in the right hand. So 2, 3, and 4 in both hands. And it sounds like this. Okay, and our solfege, this will go pretty quick because we know these solfege signs. Starting here on D, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi. Now let's do our note names real quick. There's just three of them. C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E. Now let's do our colors. Ready? Go. Red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow. And now our finger numbers. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4. And now our beats. It's just beats and melons. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, beat, melon, beat, beat, melon, beat, beat, melon, beat, beat, melon. How'd you do? That one's pretty easy.